guys, I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Let's get started. Today I will be showing you how to make a rubber band shooter. The things you will need to make this is one popsicle stick, one chip clip, some hot glue, a hot glue gun, a bendy piece of metal. I chose this bendy plastic ring, a couple of rubber bands, and some scissors. Once you are finished, you can also decorate it if you want. I'm going to plug the hot glue gun in. Once it heats up, I will be back. Be safe with the hot glue gun. Okay guys, I'm back with a heated up glue gun. The first thing you would want to do is glue this chip clip to the end of your popsicle stick. Like that. Then wrap a rubber band around this part right here. It should be about right under where it goes down. You can hot glue this here. It's not necessary, but you can if you want. Now you should have this. The last step is to bend your bendy piece of plastic or metal into this shape so it can fit right at the opposite end of your popsicle stick like this. Now you just want to glue that in place. I'm going to glue this little gear on right here, but you don't have to, that is completely optional. Just because I wanted to decorate it. And there you have it. You have your very own rubber band shooter. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe, that would be awesome. See you later, super scientists.